send me the work. I only receive from, thank you so much for recording the call. I only receive from some of you, some lah. It means nowadays seems many students sending to me every day. Good to see that. So few of you don't want to submit anything to me. May I know the reason? It's no point, because you know why? Every time during the class, I'm assigning the worksheets to you all. I uploaded the video to you all in Edmodo, and then at the end of the day, nobody is submitting to me. And that one is your classroom teaching worksheets. And then same goes to the EduSeed also. At the end of the lesson, nobody wants to do the EduSeeds. If you don't have the EduSeed book with you, it's okay, because it seems 1 week I am uploading more than 10 worksheets in Edmodo, correct? After our lesson done. So, but still some of you don't want don't want to do the worksheet that I have uploaded in Edmodo. You don't have the books also, don't want to do the worksheets in Edmodo. I don't know what is the problem. I all still want to give me the reason that don't know how to use the Acrobat Reader. I all still want to give me the reason, don't know how to turn in the assignment in Edmodo. Class, everybody know how to use the Acrobat very well, correct?
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes, teacher.
But why still some of you didn't submit the work? I hope that you all know who is that person. You know yourself very well, correct? So you should know. Which student didn't pass up the work? Hello, I'm talking to everybody. So can anyone respond to me? Who can admit yourself that you didn't send to me the classwork every day in Skype? Who can admit to me that you never send your classwork in Edmodo? Are you all sending your classwork every day in Edmodo? Are you all sending every day your classwork in Edmodo? Class, I'm not talking to myself, I'm not talking to the wall, I'm talking to my students, grade 5 maths students. Every day I cannot give excuses to you all. You all are not kids, correct? Only some of you sending me the classwork every day in Skype. They take photo of their EduSeed work, the classwork, or the supplement book they have. They take photo and send to me. It's okay, good. How about the rest? How about the rest? I don't want to mention the names of the students, okay, because you all are big enough already, so no point I'm mentioning your names in the class, correct? Correct or not? Correct or not, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So who never sent to me the classwork for these past 2 days? Who can admit? Who never sent to me their classwork these past 2 days? Okay, sometimes teacher will be waiting, for the whole 1 week, Monday to Fridays, because you know why? Because some of the students From Monday until Friday, all the 5 days classwork, they will take photo and send personally in Skype. So that's why sometime I will be waiting until Friday. That's fine. Okay. Also accepted. I won't scold them. I also don't want to mention which students. It's okay. Maybe he have no time. Maybe she has no time to send one every day. So she will be sending one shot together in 1 week. Correct? Every Friday. For other students also, I will be waiting until Friday. Even last week Friday also, I waited for the students, but nobody submitted. But few of you submitting to me every day also accepted. Okay, fine. Once I see their message, I'll reply to them. But why some of you never ever submit any of your work to me? Why? You all think teacher is what? You all think teacher is what? I'm sorry for the students. I don't think I'm wasting your time. I'm sorry for the students who have been submitting your work to me, but this is I really have to talk to them. Okay? Those who are submitting the work to me is good. It's really appreciated. But I have to talk to them also. If not, very hard to catch them, in online. During one-to-one also, whenever I want to call the students, nobody want to join the class. Nobody want to join the one-to-one. Only few of you have been joining my one-to-one. The rest just escape. I also don't know what's the problem. Don't think that don't think we will conduct the online class until end of this year. Whatever also after the pandemic is over, everybody have to see face to face, correct? At the end, you all have to see me also in the school. So stop showing your attitude to me. And also, I don't want to mention the names. What are the students? Understand or not? Understand or not? Those who are sending to me every day is fine, it's good. But I have to talk. Today also, I have prepared the new lesson for you all. I have prepared the slides for you all. I have prepared the worksheets for you all, and some more I already uploaded the worksheets in Edmodo as well. But what's the point? Every time during the class, I'm uploading everything. I'm uploading the video of the class, the video, the YouTube link I've been uploading in Edmodo. But what's the point? Nobody want to submit the worksheets in Edmodo. Why? That's the only questions. Why don't want to submit the worksheets? You all think what? Teacher Vicky is what? Anything also she will accept. Correct? No. So English work you all can submit because Teacher Gita. So next time if you all don't want to submit the work, it's okay for me. I can add Teacher Gita in this group. I can call her also. She can see everything. I'll share my screen in Edmodo. Which other students never do any work? You all want me to do that? I'll add Teacher Gita in the group. I'll share my Edmodo screen to her. Which are the students, whoever never submits any of the worksheets, she can see directly from the screen. And then she can personally call your mother. You all want me to do that? You all want me to do that or not?
No, teacher.
So what I'm expecting from you all? Can you all understand and all what I'm expecting from you all?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what I'm expecting for you all is only the classwork submission and also the classroom teaching worksheet submission. Okay, in 1 week we have 3 classes, correct? Monday, Wednesday and also Thursday. Every Monday, every Wednesday and every Thursday I will upload worksheets. You can see my worksheets is always or every time for more than 3 worksheets. I never ever give one worksheet, correct? I won't do that. I give extra worksheets also. 3 or at least 4 worksheets I've been uploading, correct? Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. That one also is already 10 to 12 worksheets, correct or not? The students who have keep on telling me that they have no books to do, because some of the students didn't come to school and take the book, and suddenly and this MCO also is immediate action by the minister, correct? So some of you cannot cross the state and take the, even cannot cross the district also, correct, to come and take the book in the school, correct? But it's okay. That is why I have uploaded the worksheets in Edmodo after your classroom teaching lesson. Am I right? What's
Yes,
the point? Yes, I have uploaded the worksheets in classroom teaching. I mean, after the classroom teaching in Edmodo, some more I will discuss the worksheet. For it's very helpful for the students who don't have the book at all. Some of you don't have any of the books with you all. So the worksheets will help you all to do your classwork. One day you do 2 pages also can. You can submit in Edmodo because you can turn in the worksheets in Edmodo. So I assume that that one is your classwork. Understand or not? Understand or not? Okay. Then the students who have the EduSeed book, I give one EduSeed and one supplement book to you all. Am I right? And the front page or the checklist that you got, teacher just write there which section you have to do, or else teacher just write there, do as much as you can. Yes or no? Yes or no, class?
yes.
Yes. Means you have to do as much as pages you want to do as your classwork. Did I say those who have the books, those who have the classwork to do don't have to do the classroom teaching worksheet? Did I say that? Did I say that? No.
No.
Classroom teaching worksheets is different. It's after your classroom teaching lesson. I record the video, I upload the YouTube link there. You can watch the video again. You can do the worksheets for your enhancement. Correct? It's your enhancement activity. The worksheet is only for the students who don't have the books. But most of you have the books with you. Correct? Who have the books with you? Can you please put up your hand for a while? Who have the book, EduSeed, and also the supplement? I want you all to put up properly the hand. Who else? Who else? Jingzer, what happened to you? Jingzer, did you get the book? Fiona, do you have the book?
The EduSeed book, is it, teacher?
Yes, Fiona.
No.
I think you didn't come to school and take. Okay, so most of you have the book, good, but why only few of you sending the work to me? Okay, thank you Shengen, Shengwei, Astria, Josephine, and Jingze, Louise. Put down. Stop pressing that. Okay, so only few of you have been sending the work to me in Skype. Teacher said it doesn't matter how many pages you want to do the EduSeed. Okay, today you want to do the EduSeed, can you do 3 or 4 pages, you do, then before you go to sleep, did I say before 4 o'clock or before 12 o'clock you must send to me?
No.
No. Did I say that? No. I don't know about other teachers, but teacher said before you go to your bed, before you go to your sleep, before the next day also can, before the next day also can. You can take photo anytime, send to me personally lah. Did I say in group? If you don't want to share your answer, you worried your answer might be wrong, did I say you can send to me in group? Also no need. personally send to me enough lah. So I can directly check the answers. If wrong, I will clear that in your one-to-one session. That's the point we having the one-to-one. Still some of you don't want to attend the one-to-one. I don't know what's wrong with you all. I keep on calling the whole 30 minutes. We have 30 minutes time, right? I will do the group consultation. Am I right? Yes, Wednesday 10:30 few groups. Sorry, Thursday few groups. Tuesday few groups, and also Friday few groups. I will keep on calling the person, but still don't want to answer or join the one-to-one. Why? All your work are very perfect, right? If you think that your work is very perfect, every day you should submit the work. What? Also no submission. What is the point? Teacher start the new topic and upload the video in Edmodo and upload again 4 worksheets in Edmodo. At the end, nobody want to submit. Not nobody lah, few of you don't want to submit. This is what's happening. I don't know what happened to the maths grade 5. Or you all don't like me to teach the maths or what?
No, teacher.
Then how about the rest? You all want me to hand over to another teacher to take care the maths grade 5? To
No,
take over
teacher.
maths grade 5?
No, teacher.
How about the rest? I just hand over the maths. Let other teacher take over your maths grade 5. Let them handle. I don't know how they're going to handle. You all want me to do that?
No, teacher.
I'm tired of repeating, I know you all also are not in school now. You all are at home. Teacher also at home. I'm not going to school. It's very hard. I know. Online teaching is very hard, but we are trying our best, correct? You all also trying your best, do your work and submit to me in Edmodo, submit to me in Skype, your classwork on. Nobody know when the pandemic is going to over, correct or not? So until that, we try our best lah. I'm tired of repeating the same thing. Actually, I'm repeating the same thing again and again and again, every day, correct or not? You also tired of listening the same advice, correct? And same goes to me, me too tired of repeating the same thing. Correct or not? Next time, please don't do this lah, because you are not 8 years old kids or 9 years old kid. You all are big enough really. I don't want to mention the names. If you all are small kids, of course teacher will mention one by one. Okay, Angiwan, why you do this? Okay, Adish, why you do this? But you all are big enough already. But this is example lah. I'm not telling Angiwan and Adish are not sending their work. Okay. So you are big enough already until teacher also don't want to mention your name in my class. Correct or not? But you know about yourself whether you are submitting your work to me or not. Correct or not? You ask yourself, you are submitting your work to me or not? If no, do it as soon as possible. If you are sending your work, then just continue your work. Understand or not, class? I don't want to mention the names. I don't want to scold you all or what. I'm just telling. So make sure this thing I don't want to repeat tomorrow again and next week again. We don't know, correct, when the school will open. Until that, everybody is struggling, correct? Teachers also struggling, students also struggling, correct? Sometimes the connection will be problem, sometimes the mic will be problem, the camera will be problem. I don't know. I know because we all went through a lot, correct? Last year, so much of problem we have went through together, correct? The maths grade 4 students who are with me last time, who were with me last time, remember, correct? So please don't repeat lah. I know the problems are still arise day by day, correct? but you all know how to overcome that. Any problem, immediately let me know in Skype. If you all cannot join the class, immediately inform to me in Skype. If you all can't do the worksheets or the classwork on time, immediately inform to me in Skype. I won't scold, and I'm not that type of teacher that scolding the students. Anything, I just say okay, no problem, you can send to me the next day. Understand? But don't take this as your advantage. Correct? Correct or not, my dear students?
Yes, teacher.
Yes or no?
teacher. Yes,
Yes or
teacher.
no? Only the two students are repeating. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you so much. So, done? So don't repeat this again. Try to submit your work every day, or you want to do one shot, because some of the grade 4 students, they are doing this. They do one shot for 5 days. They are sending to me every Friday. Also can, but you inform me early lah. Okay, for today's lesson, and then one more thing, that every day teacher have reminded you all so many times, right? Every day before the class starts, the one day before, I will upload the slide in Edmodo, correct? So you can refer the slides there also. Those who have missed my class, means those who ever absent to my class, the video also there. Okay, you can watch the video and do the worksheets as usual. The next day, don't tell me, teacher, I was absent to my class, so I didn't do the worksheet. I don't want to listen that, because you know, if you were absent to my class, the video is already there. You can watch the video of the whole lesson, and then you can do the worksheets as usual. Understand or not? Shall we start the lesson now?
Yes.
I start the lesson.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Can you see my screen? Can see my screen or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Okay, class. Monday we have learned about the triangles, correct? What is the scalene triangle, the equilateral triangle, the isosceles triangle, and then how to calculate the unknown angle, correct? Correct or not? Remember or not all the things that we have learned on Monday?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so today we're going to learn about, we are still in the topic triangles. It's the lesson 1 of the 506, but the new topic, which is base and height of a triangle, means how, what is base, what is height in the triangle, and then how to calculate the base and also height of the triangle. It's quite hard, but please focus on the slide here, then you can understand how, then you know how to do the worksheets. Okay, usually the height of a triangle, can you see the height here, is the perpendicular segment from the vertex to the line containing the opposite sides. Vertex is here. Vertex is here. Can you see? Vertex is the end point here. So it's a perpendicular segment to the line containing the opposite side. So example of height is here. Can you see? In a triangle, a leg is a height. The height also can be inside the triangle, and then the height also can be outside of the triangle. Can you see where is the height in a triangle? This is a height. And then how about the base? The base of a triangle means is also the line here on a triangle. Can you all see where is the base that teacher have stated here? We call it as a length also. It represents the segment length. This is for you all to identify where is the height of the triangle and where is the base of the triangle. Please look at the 3 images here. The first one, it could be the lake here. The second one, it could be inside. And then the third one also, it can be the outside. 3 of these line we call it as a height, but base for all are same. The line underlined here, can you see here? All are we call as base. Any questions about the height and base?
No.
This is only for you all to recognize, to identify where is the height of a triangle and where is the base can be in the triangle. Understand? So don't get confused with the base and height. Usually height is the perpendicular segment here. Base is the one is underlined on the below here. Understand? At the below here. Done? Done? Okay, can I move?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
So the 3 things you need to remember for the triangle. Okay. For the triangle, okay, once you identify where is the height, the symbols that we can use for the height is H, and the symbol that we can use for the base is B. Okay, it's easy for you all, correct? H is for height, B is for base. Okay, so for the triangle, there are only 3 topics that we're going to learn, which is how to find the area of a triangle, how to find the base and height of a triangle, base of a triangle and height of the triangle. There are only 3 things that we going to learn from the triangle. Okay, then next, how to find, this is the example. Okay, the diagram is there, the diagram of a right triangle is there. This is the example. Please listen carefully. Yeah, this is how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, this area of a triangle, actually today teacher don't want to touch this topic, but before we start, before we go into the base or height of a triangle, I have to show you all how to find the area. But this topic teacher will teach again on Monday for your next, tomorrow, right? Okay, tomorrow I will teach again the area. But before we go into the base of the triangle and then height of the triangle, I have to show you all how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, to find the area of a triangle, we have the formula to use. That means 1 over 2. Can you all see here? You can substitute this one. Okay, teacher said, okay, now who can tell to teacher which one is the height? How many, the measurement of the height? Just now only teacher have showed you all. Which one is the height?
6
Height 6 cm. How about the base? Again?
10 cm.
Very good. So the base is the 10 cm. Okay, so the measurement, you will have the measurement, don't worry. In your worksheets also or in your exam also, you will have the measurement. So, but you have to identify which one is the height, which one is the base. Okay, done? Okay, so for the area, we should have the formula. What is the formula? It is 1 over 2. This is the formula for the area of a triangle. 1 over 2, teacher put base and height, right? Because just now teacher said B for base, H for height. This means 1 over 2 multiply base multiply height, correct? Okay, now, sorry. 1 over 2 here. Okay, yes, this is the first example. Okay, right. First example. Okay, 1 over 2. What is the base, class? How many base? How many is the base?
So I give you time now.
10. How many is the height?
6.
6. Very good. So can you all see how I substitute 10 for B? How I substitute 6 for H? Means you have to put in. Even in your formula, you show that 1 over 2 multiplied base. Teacher put here 1 over 2 BH means, please don't get confused. It means 1 over 2 multiply base multiply height. So same goes to here. Whenever I substitute 10 for the base, 6 for the height, same. 1 over 2 multiply 10 and multiply 6. Okay, who can give me the answer? Even though my answer is here 30, how to find the answer? How to find the answer? It's very simple. 1 over 2 multiply 10 multiply 6. Teacher said any whole number you have to assume that there is a denominator, correct? Whoever able to multiply directly, you can multiply. 1 over 2 multiply 10 multiply 6. It's very simple. Who can tell to teacher how to do? Any volunteer?
1 over 2 times 10 times 6.
Okay, how to do lah? Multiply means 10, you can assume that 10 over 1, correct? And
Yes,
then
and
6,
1
you
and
have
6,
to
6 over 1.
6 over 1, very good. So 1 multiply 10 multiply 6 is equals to 60.
60.
2 multiply 1 multiply 1 is equals to 2. So 60 over 2 is equals to 30. So 30 is your answer. But don't forget to put, for the area, you have to put square centimeter. Do you all know how to put the square on the top?
Yes, the
Centimeter square is for the area. Understand or not?
understand.
Who don't understand? I can repeat again, because we have one more example for the area. Also the same. How to find the area of the triangle? The base is 8 feet, correct? The height is 5 feet. So before you show your working, the formula is the important thing that you have to show. No formula, I won't give the marks in your exam. Okay, formula, you have marks for the formula. No formula, no marks will be given. Understand or not? So the area is equals to, as usual, 1 over 2 multiply base multiply height. So as usual, I substitute 8 for the base and then the 5 for the height, correct? So same, 1 over 2 multiply 8 over 1 multiply 5 over 1. So 1 multiply 8 multiply 5 is equals to 40. 40 over 2. Correct? So 20 feet square. Any question? Any question, class? Any question?
No, teacher.
Are you all sure? Can understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can you get the answer, Adish? 1 over 2 multiply 8 multiply 5, you should get 20, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the basic. So Monday teacher will explain again about the area with more examples. Why I have to touch this topic? Because without this formula, we cannot find the height and also the base of a triangle. Can you all see? Okay, now if you want to find the height and also the base of a triangle, usually in the questions, the answer will be given. The area will be given, but either base or either height, they won't give. Can see the triangle there or not? Height, they didn't give the measurement, correct? But base, they already given is 13 inches, correct? As usual, you have to show the formula. Area is equals to 1 over 2 multiply base multiply height is the must. You have to show the formula for the area of a triangle. Okay. What is the, just now we find out the value of area, correct? We find out the area because the base is given, the height also was given. But for this topic, to find the height or to find the base, normally they won't give any of, they won't give. So let's say the question now, you have to find the height of a triangle, mean the height they never give, correct? You have to find the value of the height. How? Since the area is already given, can I know what is the answer for area? What is the area of this triangle? What is the area of this triangle?
39.
Very good. Since the area is already given 39, so you just substitute the 39 for your area, correct? You substitute here 39, okay, equals to, you repeat the formula. 1/2 is same. Okay, how about the base? Is the base is given or not? Is the base is given or not?
No.
Is the base given or not? Open your eyes big and
Oh,
see
yes,
the
yes,
triangle.
yes.
Okay, so the base is 13. So is the height is given or not?
No.
No, so you cannot substitute the height. So you just repeat the age here. But the 13 you can substitute with the base, correct? Since the height is not given, you just write the height here. So how to find the value of height? Okay, very simple. Can you all see the area here, 39? 39, you have to directly multiply with the 2 here. Can you see? Can you all see? 39 multiply 2, you will get 78. 78 is equals to, the only thing left is here is 13h, correct? Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, to find the value of h, the 78, you have to divide with 13, you will get height 6 inches. Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
This is the formula lah. This is the working. You have to follow this. Please remember in your mind the formula. If you want to find the height, multiply the area with the 2 here, you will get the answer 78 here. Is equals to, the only thing left here is only 13h. So h is height. To find the value of h, 78, you have to divide with 13, you should get 6. Okay, now if you want to find the area, if you want to check again whether your answer is correct or not, you put the h as 6. So you can try to do again. 1/2 multiply 13 multiply 6. So your answer should be 39. This is how to find the value of the height. And same goes to the base also. Say base is exactly same as the height. If let's say the base is not given here, they only give the height. Same lah, 1/2 b in the bracket you put the 6. Same. 39 multiply 2, 78. 78, you only have the 6 here, right? Divide 6, you will get the b as a 13. That's is the same. Height and base of a triangle, the way to find the height and base is the same method. No any different methods will be using for this. But you only have to understand this concept. If you want to find the value of height or the value of base, usually in the question, the area means the answer will be given. Then only you can find. No answer, of course, we all cannot do, correct? Because the area, if given, it's very easy for you all to find the height or base of a triangle. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Yes,
Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Angivan, understand or not? Angiwan? Okay. Fiona, can understand or not? Okay, now I'm going to show the worksheets. So, everybody have to try. Don't say that you don't understand. Now you all say can understand. Adish can understand?
Yes, teacher.
Jose can understand? Chiayangi can understand? Jose can understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Wei Feng? Herman, what happened to you? Can understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Sheng En?
Yes, teacher.
Sheng Wei?
Yes, teacher.
Josephine?
Yes, teacher.
Ashriel?
Yes, teacher.
Jingza?
Yes, teacher.
Louisa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. So now, teacher already uploaded the worksheets in Edmodo. There are 3 worksheets in Edmodo. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. These... sorry. Okay, now, there are 3 worksheets I have uploaded in Edmodo here. Correct? The base and height of a triangle. The worksheets are here. I don't think so we can discuss all the worksheets. So I just discuss the worksheet number 1. Okay. Can or not?
Yes.
Try to discuss the worksheet number 1 first. Okay. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay. Any volunteer? Any volunteer? Number 1. Read the question again. This question is a mixed question. You have to find the base or height. Let's say the height is given, you have to find the base. Let's say the base is given, you have to find the height.
Teacher,
So,
can I try?
yes, you may try the question number 1.
48.
You can take a piece of paper, just write the formula and then just give me what is your answer for the base you got.
36.
Base. Teacher said area is already given, means 48 is equals to 1 over 2 multiply base multiply height. Then 1 over 2 base is not given. So B in bracket and then 12. Correct? So 48 you have to multiply with the 2 1. And then 96 is equals to how many? The only thing left there is 12b. Correct or not, Josephine? Check again. Okay, number 2. Who wants to try? I'm waiting for your answer. Number 2, who wants to try? Check again the Edmodo. The slides is there already in Edmodo. Yesterday teacher already uploaded. You can check the slide also, because I cannot show the slide and also the worksheet again, and it means I cannot show 2 things at the same time because I have to show the worksheet. So maybe you can go to the Edmodo. Can you see the worksheet that I have uploaded yesterday? You can click the worksheet. You can see the the slide there for your reference lah. Okay, number 2. Who wants to try number 2? Any volunteer? Any volunteer? Oh my god, nobody wants to try. Why? Very hard to do?
Me, teacher. Area 90 inches. And then this formula height equals to 13 inches.
Okay. For the area here. Okay, wait, I'll show you one. Okay, class. Let me show one example here. Okay, can you all see the area here is already given, correct? So no, before that I want you all to write the formula. Area is equals to, teacher said 1/2, correct? Multiply base multiply height, correct? Since the base is already given, what is the base? 48, correct? Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
1/2. Can anyone tell to me what is the value for base there? Yamala, I can see. Base, did they given, is the base given or not?
No. Right, B.
B, correct? Is the height given or not?
Yes.
Yeah, so the height is 12, correct? Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Teacher said what you need to do. Teacher said this 48, you can directly multiply with these two words, correct or not? This is what I showed here, correct? The area here, the answer here, you multiply with the 2 here, correct? So this is what I'm going to do. 48, you can directly multiply with 2, you will get 96. Am I right? Here also same. 39, directly multiply with the 2, you will get 78, correct? So the only thing left here is 13h, and same goes to here. The only thing left here is 12b. Correct or not, class?
Yes.
Okay, then teacher said here, if you want to find the value of h, the big number divide the small number, you will get the value of h. And same goes to here. If you want to find the value of b, what you need to do? You need to do, class?
Divide 12.
Very good. 96, you have to divide 12. What is your answer? Who can tell to teacher? What is the answer?
8.
8. So, where is the question? Okay, meter. So the answer is in meter. 8 meter is your answer for the base. Understand or not?
I understand now.
Understand, eh? So same goes to the height also. Okay, now if you want to check again whether your answer is correct or not. So area is equals to, teacher said 1/2. Yeah, 1/2, teacher said multiply the base and then multiply the height, correct? Okay, now base, just now only we have find out the base is 8, correct? Correct or not? Then
Yes.
the height we found, the height is already in the questions 12. So teacher said you have to assume that, sorry, actually the alignment is not straight. Okay, 1/2 multiply, teacher said 8, you have to assume that 8/1, and then multiply 12 over 1, correct? So now all the numerator you have to multiply, right? 1 times 8 times 12 is 96, correct? Over what? Over 2 times 1 times 1 is equals to 2. So your answer should be 48. Is it your answer is correct with the area given here?
Yes.
Yes, that's the only thing. These two things only you have to remember. To find the area, base and height, if given, you can find it. If you want to find the base, area will be given. If you want to find the height, also area will be given. Because teacher said to find a base and height of the triangle, the working is same and the formula also same. Understand or not, class?
Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So, who wants to try question number 3? Sorry, 2.
Teacher, can I try number 2?
Yes, Chiayangi, you may.
It's 90 equals to 1 over 2 times by 15 times by h. My answer will be 180. And then I must
Okay.
180 divided by 15. My answer, I get 12.
Very good. 12 inches, IN. Very good. That's the thing. Now, know already how to do, Chiayangi? That's the thing. Same goes to height. If you want to find the height, also same. You want to find the base, also same thing. Very good. Okay, who wants to try question number 3? Class, who wants to try question number 3? Hello. Anybody want to try the last question? Then we can end the call. I have uploaded these worksheets in Edmodo. Try to do. Any questions can contact me. Hello. Yes, please try.
Area is 52 centimeter square. Need to find base.
Okay.
Base.
8 is what? Don't get confused. If your triangle is they are showing upside down, also the height is the same, also in the center. Okay, don't get confused. The height is 8.
Okay.
Hello, faster lah. Anybody wants to try? You all want to try together? Can? Number 3. All can answer. Hello. Area is 52, correct?
Yes.
52 is equals to 1 over 2 multiply B multiply 8. And then 52 you can multiply with 2. What is the answer?
104?
104.
Very good. So 104, what do you all need to do?
104
Dy?
divide 8.
Yes. What is your answer for base?
13.
Very good. 13 is the answer. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, is it clear everyone? How to do?
Dear teacher.
Is it clear? Not clear, Adish. What happened? Adish, don't understand.
No.
Which part don't understand?
I
don't
still don't understand.
How to do it?
Yeah.
Which one?
Too complicated already. Confusing.
But you understand the working or not? Please
No.
read. Hello. The one I showed just now in the word. Remember this. Then you can do. Also already in the slide how to do. You refer the slide one by one. You have to see how they are substitute, and then you refer the question one by one, and then you know how to do.
Okay, I go try first.
The problem is you all never try. Yes, try first. Adish, do you want to try?
Okay.
Any question?
Yes.
Next question you want to ask.
I still don't understand.
I also still don't understand. It's very confusing.
Yes, I know it's confusing. Then how you all can simply tell don't know without practice? We have to do more practice on questions. What? Huh?
Look like grade 6 or grade 7 max only.
Yes. The more you upgrade the maths grade, of course, will be more tougher for you all.
You can explain one more time, ma.
Can, no problem. Okay, teacher said, okay, for an example here, how I put the rectangle here. Okay, for example, okay, just now teacher have show you here, right? This one. Since the area is already given 48, am I right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
but some of the questions the base not given. Some of the questions the height not given, correct?
Yes.
Is the same formula actually. Okay, I delete this one no need. Okay, so please remember this for these worksheets that I have given. Okay, since the area is already given 48, correct?
Yes.
The 48 you have to substitute for the area here. You have to put the 48. Listen, Adish also, correct? So is equals to the formula as usual, same, no any changes for the formula, correct? Correct or not? 1 over 2 multiply base multiply height is the must. Okay, since area is huh? Yes.
Teacher, 1/2 is area. Okay.
Okay, 1 over 2. Yes, 1 over 2 is in the formula. You have to use the 1 over 2. No 1 over 2, you cannot find the height, base and area of the triangle. For triangle, you all have to use the 1 over 2. Okay? Okay, now.
Okay.
Area is already given 48 here, correct?
Yes.
And then please remember height is already given 12 and then base is not given. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, now we come back to the working. Area is already given just now, correct? 48.
Yes.
Okay, half is a must. You all have to follow the half here. 1 over 2. Okay?
Okay.
Multiply. The base is not given. So I just put the base like B here. Okay? Because we cannot, you don't have anything for the base. Am I correct or not?
That means don't multiply the base.
No, you have to multiply with base, but no any number is given in
How
the
to
figure here,
multiply with
correct?
base?
Listen lah. Base is I just put the B here because you have to multiply with base also if the number is given, but number is not given for the base, but height is given 12, correct?
Uh-huh.
How to find the value of base? Teacher said if you want to find the value of base 48, you have to multiply. Okay, since 1 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator,
Yes.
right? So this 48 you have to multiply with the denominator. You have to multiply with the denominator. So once this 48 you multiply with the denominator, you should get
Divide
90,
denominator.
96.
96. 48 multiply the denominator, you
multiply.
have to get 96, correct? Okay, done. So the things that left over here is only this, correct?
Yeah.
B multiply 12, correct? Means base multiply the height, but height is already given. So means I just substitute here 12B, correct?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you have to find the value of base, correct?
Yes.
So I just put the base here. Okay?
Okay.
Now you have to find the value of base. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. To find the value of base, directly multiply the big number. Big number divide the small number.
So,
This is the
What?
must. This is the working. No any other working for this.
oh, okay, I understand now.
Understand or not?
Yes, 48 times 2 equals to 96. Then 96 divided 12 equals to 8.
Oh,
8 is
okay,
the
okay.
base.
Okay.
Understand? And
Yes.
same goes to the height also.
So wait,
Let's say,
let me copy first.
okay, let's say, yes, please copy down so that easier for you all whenever time to do the worksheet. Later you can refer this one. Understand or not?
Understand.
Okay, any question?
Yeah, this topic, teacher, let me copy.
Okay.
And I forget that I call you again.
Hello. You see the slide also already have.
The slide very
Okay.
complicated.
Any other question?
No, teacher.
Same
No.
goes to the height also. Let's say the base is given here. Height is not given. Also same. Multiply, you will get 96. But if you want to find the height, you have to divide the base. Correct or not?
Okay.
Yes, it's the same. Done?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I end the call?
Yes.
Try to practice more on
So
worksheets
that
that
means
I have.
if you want to find the base, you multiply.
Goodbye.
Yes.
You want to find the width and the height, you divide.
Also same method what we used for the base just now.
But divide.
Yes, lastly you have to divide. Okay, any questions? Please try to practice on worksheets that I have uploaded in Edmodo. Do more so that you can understand.
Okay,
teacher.
Okay, can I end the call now? Ashriel, can you please stay here? Where's Ashriel? He left the call already.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Worksheet is already there. I will upload the video. So, bye everyone. See you all
Bye,
tomorrow.
teacher.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye.